8 ways to fix your iPhone mic not working. Clean microphone grills. First, we recommend you check the microphone grills. Over time, dirt and other debris can accumulate in the mic holes, thus blocking any sound and giving the impression that it doesn't work. Before proceeding to other methods, try to clean the mic holes. Also, make sure your iPhone case doesn't block the mic. Restart your iPhone. If the mic grills are clean and it still doesn't work, the second thing you should do is restart your device. The issue could be a simple bug or a glitch in the operating system, which will be eliminated during the restart. Remove microphone restrictions. Open the Settings app, scroll down and go to Privacy Settings, then tap on Microphone. Now, locate the app that can't use the mic, and next to it, toggle the switch to remove the restriction. Disconnect any headphones. Disconnect any connected headphones to use your iPhone's mic. If the headphones are connected with a wire, unplug them. If they're connected with Bluetooth, disable it. Open the Settings app, tap on Bluetooth. Next to Bluetooth, toggle the switch to disable the feature. Turn off the noise cancellation feature. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then locate and tap on Audio/Visual. Next to Phone Noise Cancellation, toggle the switch to disable the feature. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then go to General Settings. Scroll to the very bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and select Reset all settings. Enter the iPhone passcode and confirm the action. Update iPhone. Open the Settings app on your device. Then go to General Settings. At the top, tap on Software Update. Wait while your iPhone searches for updates. If found any, update iPhone. Check for mechanical damage and contact Apple support. The issue can be damaged microphone parts. You can either take it to an authorized service center for an inspection or contact Apple support for further assistance. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.